The show, how
I was getting.
I listen to
A lot of people mean
It's Kid Craddock in the morning.
I finally had to do something so that I could fit in with my son. I had to fit in.
wearing a diaper.
You
No, I
haven't-
wasn't wearing a diaper. But you
Are you
know
not
what?
bonding like you should?
Yeah. Well, we're kind of bonding, but remember when we were growing up and you used to play like Monopoly, or maybe you played Sorry, or you played that game Operation?
Yeah.
I played a lot of solitaire.
Yeah, Solitaire. Maybe you got... No, John, you're too young to
I
play
was an only
Solitaire when you were a
child.
kid.
I was very advanced. I was just young and alone.
Maybe you got down with some Clue action.
Okay.
So I was sitting on the couch with Cason,
Yeah.
watching TV, and a commercial comes on. And the first thing I see when this commercial comes on is this huge lettering, and it says, "Play the game, Doggy Do."
What's Doggy doing? Oh no, he's in the doghouse now. We love you. Let's play. Make a tasty treat. Eat up, doggy. Roll the die. What's that sound? What did he do? You win by collecting Doggies Do. Doggy Do by Goliath.
Yeah, I saw this on the internet earlier this year.
You win by collecting Doggies Do.
Yeah.
Yeah, if that would actually help my child learn to pick up after her dog, I might buy it. If she turned it into a game, it might be worth
has
it.
a pump that you squeeze for
After
some
you roll
kind
the
of
die.
Play-Doh to see.
Right.
Oh, so you win by making
And then the dog
doggy
poo.
go doo-doo.
I guess you win by collecting doo-doo? I don't know. Like I said,
Wow.
if it would make my daughter clean it up, I would be all for it.
So yeah, you win by collecting stuff that comes out of a dog's.
But,
But-
You know
do,
what?
do you have
Kids
to?
love gross stuff. Kids love gross stuff. I mean, they have booger games, and
Especially little
snot games.
boys.
I mean, they have all this.
Do you,
So-
have to, do you have to pick it up with
disgusting.
a little green bag and?
No, it has like a little shovel, like a
Little
plastic
pooper
shovel,
scooper?
a pooper scooper, and then you collect your poo with that. So I'm thinking this is really cool.
I don't know if I want to hear what you did
How-
now
how-
to relate
No.
to your
How does
son.
this tie back in?
I'm trying to talk Kenzie into getting this game because I really liked it.
Yeah.
And she's all about no, it's about poo and it's gross, and she's basically a bit killer. And so in the middle of our argument, Cason walked out. And so after we got done, or after I got done losing,
The argument, yeah.
I walked outside, or I walked into the kitchen, and I can kind of hear Cason, but I can't see what he's doing.
Okay.
And so I go around, we have this counter, and so I go around the counter, and I realize that Cason is sitting on the ground, and right next to him is our dog, Dex. And Cason's sitting there with Dex, arm around him, petting him, having a good time.
They're bonding.
They're bonding, and I notice that Dex is chewing something.
Oh no.
And then I realize Cason grabs something and starts chewing it.
Oh no.
I know what you're thinking, Alan. I thought the same thing.
Especially after talking about the doggy
Yeah,
poo.
I was frightened.
Okay.
It was not doggy.
It wasn't Doggy Do.
It was not Doggy Do.
Was it Baby Do? Poo?
Apparently, Cason had gone into the cupboard, gotten the dog treats, brought them out, sat next to Dex, and started feeding him dog treats, and then he started eating some. Now, part of me wanted to start screaming, go, "No, what are you doing? Don't do that."
I can't hurt him.
But you can't do that because, you don't want to scare them. And plus, I thought about it, and I'm like, dogs eat it, so why can't humans eat it? So he's kind of looking at me because he saw me kind of be shocked, so I didn't want to frighten him. So I sat down next to him. So I sat down next to him, and I reached into the bag, and I ate one as Kinsey was walking out.
Why did you feel the need to do that?
I just wanted to fit in with those two.
Did
I
you
was
think
like,
he'd notice if you got, like, I don't know, a Ritz cracker instead of a dog treat?
I don't think he would.
Maybe a human treat?
No, I just felt like I needed to fit in.
You really wanted to try it.
I
Just
really-
admit it. You wanted to know what it tasted like.
I did.
And
I
what did
did.
it taste
How
like?
was it?
You know what? That's a good way to. Does it really taste like
Was
the
it-
chicken?
Was
Because
this
here's
like
the
really
the one that
taste
looks
like beef or
like
bacon?
the little bone, or is just like the little bacon bit?
It's like a roll. It's
Okay.
a roll, and it has like the brown middle.
Oh, like a
Sausage.
snossage.
Yeah.
Is it a snossage?
I don't remember what it might be a
Do the
snossage.
sausages taste like sausage?
But I wanted to try it just in case.
And the verdict?
He got sick, so we both did get sick. Not bad.
Worth getting sick, though?
I haven't gotten
bad.
sick yet. I haven't gotten the Justin Bieber yet, so I haven't gotten that. But it was not bad. It was a little. It lacked in taste. But if I need a little snack here and there,
Yeah.
we're out of
It's a whole
food.
new meaning to my roommate and I saying we've run out of food.
Yeah.
There's still the dog treat.
Sausage.
Still the dog treats. So people, out of food, try some dog treats. You're welcome.
Subscribe now for more videos from Kid Craddock in the morning. And check us out at kidnation.com. It's Kid Craddock in the morning.